Right, this is where it begins. My backpack is already annoying me because it's all twisted. Really? Just cleaned it. Just cleaned the Ducati and it's already going to be dirty. The Ducati's ready to go, I'm all packed up. We're going to go meet Brad and chill at Brad's for a bit and then head off. So I hope you guys are excited as I am. You're probably not. But I can't wait. Oh, all year I've prepared for this. All fucking year. Literally, this is the one thing that's been keeping me just going. Going for all the days at work, all the shit days, everything. I've just thought about this day. Or these 9 days. It's gonna be amazing. And the fact I get the chance to do it for charity as well. Like, anyone can do this, it's what's amazing, but just the fact I've got to, thanks to the amazing people I'm surrounded by and the opportunities I have on this YouTube channel, I could do this for charity. So thank you to everyone that donated again. You've made this 10 times better. But yeah, I'm excited. Let's do this. Alright, here we go. Brad. Say hi.
Hey.
Right, I want to put some music on. Route is set up. Keys in. Don't forget my gloves are over there. Alright, we're finally setting off. It is 20 past 10.
Done 2 miles and we already need fuel.
It's a Ducati and it always needs fuel. Do you know what? I'm just going to go through all my songs. Because the very first song I have, Bitches Ain't Shit.
Nice.
Bitches ain't shit but hoes and tricks. Lick on these nuts and suck the dick.
I'm just hoping my bike lasts more than 2 miles. Seeing as today it's broken the starter relay, the chain. It wouldn't start this morning. Yesterday I broke the fuel lines on it, so it pissed out half a tank of fuel all over the driveway.
Where's the cat on it?
The cat? What, for the exhaust?
Yeah.
It's 2004, it doesn't need one, it's just got that.
Oh, sick. Oh, squad. Right behind the police. Unlucky boys.
That's right, the police car's gone the way we're going.
Oh. Right, this is probably the only thing you'll see now in the UK. We've got 3 hours to the Eurotunnel. Brad's just ahead of me. You've seen his bike, this GS500. We just had, I shared a Red Bull with him. 3 hours, 10 o'clock now, or half 10. We're gonna get there a little bit early. Everything seems to be okay. Touch wood, it goes well. Right, that's everything. I'll see you on the Eurotunnel train thing. Half hour left, 160 miles down. Filled up, first time filling up. We've got half an hour left, as I said. We've been boogieing literally the whole time. Oh God. It's quite enjoyable actually. 1:30 in the morning. We're both buzzing. Apart from Brad falling asleep. Right, straight to the Eurotunnel now. Let's do this. Oh, and my glasses broke. And now they're fogging up. Oh, I've got to fucking click myself in. There. Right, I don't know how much you'll be able to see, but we're here! We're here! We made it! We made it! I don't know why I sound so surprised, but we made it! I don't know if you can hear me. I don't know what's going on, but I'm so excited! Eurotunnel! Let's do this! Ah!
Finished faffing yet?
Huh?
Is this what it's going to be like? You faffing all the time?
Yes.
You never fucking get anywhere.
We got here.
Yeah, just.
And
it took us an extra 40 miles.
I'm a woman. That wasn't my fault. You think I get told off if I did a wheelie? Probably. We can shop here? Looky, looky. It's cool. Let's go shop, let's do stuff. I've never done this before, I don't think. I've been on the train before, but I can't remember doing this. Sick. And now we wait at 3:08 in the morning. We got a green light, we're off. And now we're waiting. Oh no, we have to stop on the side. Please don't fall over there. That's the roof. Brad, for the love of God, please don't do that backfiring thing. Be ridiculously loud. I don't know why I'm putting my glove on. Seems pointless at this point. And that is that.